Powerful car vacuum cleaner with 7500 PA. Suction power and upgraded aluminum fan blades. Quickly cleans dry debris on level surfaces, perfect for dust and dirt removal. High capacity 560 milliliters visible. Dust cup for easy cleaning of large amounts of dirt and dust. Super wide angle LED light for clear visibility in dark spaces and tight corners. Washable filter and dust cup with 2 extra filters included for easy replacement. Adequate accessories, including 4 nozzles and a 5-meter power cord for various cleaning needs. Compact and lightweight design. 7 pounds. With ergonomic handle for easy operation. Storage bag included for full protection of the car vacuum cleaner.